Raleigh, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Warren County in northwest New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Beattystown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Chester and Succoson around 3:50 p.m., Peapack and Gladstone around 3:55 p.m., Mendham and Far Hills around 4 p.m., Basking Ridge around 4:05 p.m., Millington and Morris Plains around 4:10 p.m., Morristown around 4:15 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, and Warren. This is Normal Weather Radio.